Why are you so dressed up today?
Because I'm celebrating Halloween.
Halloween? And what's Halloween is?
It's like you like to, like you go to someone's
Today
house.
we celebrate the ancestors. And what this basket for?
It's for trick or treating.
Trick or treat? What's trick or treat?
Like you go to someone's house and you say trick or treat.
And then what treat they're gonna give you?
They're gonna give you what they do, what they have.
Then we took Athar to the neighborhood for trick or treat, and this is our first neighbor. So Athar will first ring the bell, and then when they come, he will say trick or treat, and then as a reward, they will give him the treat. He was interacting with him, and now he's showing candies to his daddy. And then he will go to different houses in our neighborhood and will do the same thing. So this day kids actually collect a lot of candies. However, they should run for a year, but they end up eating them all in a week. Even the weather was also so pleasant today. It was windy, but doesn't feel much cold. And Athar is so excited today. And fall is on its top-notch beauty during this festival. You can see the leaves here and there, and they always added a beautiful charm to the scenery. And this is so mesmerizing to see the wind blowing, and you will not feel so much cold. It was so pleasant around here. This is the festival that every kid enjoys here, and not just the kid, even we parents are also enjoyed it a lot.
तो हेलोवीन पे क्या होता है कि ये लोग डेड पीपल की तरह ड्रेस्ड अप होते हैं. एज अब मौसम चेंज हो रहा है तो लोग बीमार पड़ेंगे, तो ये बैड स्पिरिट्स को कह रहे हैं कि हम तुम्हारे जैसे ही हैं, हमें नुकसान मत पहुंचाओ. और फिर इस तरह से लोग ड्रेसअप होकर एक दूसरे के घर जाते हैं और ट्रिक और ट्रीट के बदले कैंडीज और कुछ और ट्रीट्स देते हैं. It's a cute costume for a Halloween. Happy Halloween, good night.
Happy Halloween.
Show me your bucket.
It's a handful bucket.
Yeah.
Athar got so many treats.
After this roller coaster trick or treat, here is Athar's collection for today.